a number is chosen at random from the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability that it is odd? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. An odd number is a number that gives you a remainder after you have divided it by 2. When we look through the set, we can see that the odd numbers in it are 1, 3, and 5. These are the numbers in this set that will give you a remainder after you have divided it by 2. So these are the odd numbers in the set. The total number of members in this set is 6. And the total number of odd numbers in this set is 3. The probability that the number chosen at random is odd is equal to the number of odd numbers in the set, which is 3, divided by the total number of members in the set, which is 6. 3 divided by 6 will give us 1 divided by 2. So the probability of selecting an odd number at random is 1 divided by 2. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.